दिल में तुम हो, धड़कन में तुम हो, मेरी हर राह की मंजिल भी तुम हो। अब और इसके आगे मैं क्या कहूँ, मेरे जीने की
News India, we're going with the super stunning star cast of Wajah Tum Ho. Well, we have the extremely versatile, very talented Sherman Joshi, and we have the very charming, very charming Gurmeet Chaudhary, and the gorgeous, very beautiful, and very bubbly Sana Khan, and the very young, talented director Vishal Pandya. All right, starting with you, Sherman, we are so excited to see you back again on the screen. So, how excited you are about this movie?
Very excited. It's a thriller and an exceptional thriller with a great concept, with built over wonderful human emotions of love, revenge, ambitions, and the fact that for the first time I'm getting to play the role of a cop in this film, and it's a very interesting and exciting character. A guy who's very aggressive, lot of sense of humor, one-liners. He has plenty to deliver, and it's been quite a joyride for me as an actor. And I'm really thankful to Bhushan and Vishal for giving me this opportunity.
We've seen in the trailers, you really do have these heavy dialogues, and they are so good to hear. If you have to pick up one of your favorite dialogues from the movie, which would that be?
मेरी क्वालिफिकेशन का क्या है, ये जो मेरी सर्विस रिवॉल्वर है ना, उसकी 6 की 6 गोलियां मैं जब चाहूँ, जहाँ चाहूँ, कहीं भी, कभी भी, with no questions asked, चला सकता हूँ.
Oh my god, that sounds stunning. I'm sure that's going to be a treat to watch on the big screen. Coming back to the man who's actually the heartthrob, we've been following you on small screen. I've been like a huge fan from since Punarviva, had a huge crush. And coming back, we're very excited to see you back again on big screen. Gurmeet, how excited are you about the movie?
Superb excited, yeah. Because इनकी वजह से ये हमारे जो डायरेक्टर हैं, I mean, he's very talented and इनकी वजह से मैं ये फिल्म कर रहा हूँ and और 16 दिसंबर को फिल्म रिलीज़ हो रही है और सबकी वजह ये सना खान है जो जब डायलॉग बोलती है तो बहुत सारे पंचेस लग जाते हैं, एक डायलॉग पे एक पंच, दूसरे डायलॉग पे दूसरा पंच. ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस बड़ा अच्छा था यार. हमने अभी तक प्रमोशन कर रहे हैं, उतनी मस्ती है, बिल्कुल भी कम नहीं हुई है, अभी भी 10-15 दिन बचे हुए. यस, सो एक्साइटेड यार.
It's great to see that you guys share such an amazing chemistry. If you have to pick up your best moment from the sets, which would that be?
आई वुड से कोर्ट रूम ड्रामा है, जहाँ पे हम दोनों डायलॉग्स बोल रहे थे, जहाँ मैं पॉज ले रहा था वहाँ पे अपने डायलॉग्स बोल रही थे. इतना स्लो.
All right, coming back, you are so bubbly, so full of life, Sana, and obviously you're very stunning. Well, how excited are you about this movie?
I'm very excited because I think it's going to be a total different perception when people are going to see me on screen. It's going to be so different than what people have generally been, watching me doing. And I'm definitely very excited. It's my first film, so you can understand the excitement that I have inside my heart, inside my soul. The only thing that I think is Wajah Tum Ho, and I'm really looking forward to 16th of December.
If you have to pick up your favorite moment from the movie and your favorite song, which would that be?
Well, my favorite song would be Wajah Tum Ho, Today, Tomorrow, Forever. And my favorite moment one would definitely be the courtroom drama, because I think that was the first scene where out of so many from the shooting ka thing, what we've done is this scene we had like a 3-page scene, and I think we all did that in one go, every shot. So I think that was something new for me to experience. Otherwise I'm someone who just does 4 lines at a time. So that was something very different that I did. And the other thing is the breakdown moment in the film. I think that was very emotional, where I'm breaking all the glasses and the frames especially. So I can understand what a girl goes through, especially when you break up or you have a heartbreak. It's a very, I think every girl is going to connect to that scene. That one scene especially brings connectivity to every single girl. So yeah.
Excited to see everything, Sana. All the very best. We're very excited to see you on big screen. All the very best. Coming back to this young director, Woody, what is the message that you have to all the Bangaloreans? I think so. Put together, all of you. Yes.
Just love to say please watch this on the 16th of December. It's a very new concept, and we are very much sure that everyone is going to love it.
Alright guys, that is 16 December with its stunning star cast. So do not forget, make sure to your nearest theaters you go ahead and watch.
Wajah Tum Ho.
Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for talking.
I'm that dumb to show a live murder on my channel. मैं कौन हूँ इसका अंदाजा लगाने के लिए तुम अभी थोड़े कम क्वालिफाइड हो.
सर, मेरी क्वालिफिकेशन का क्या है?
ये जो मेरी सर्विस रिवॉल्वर है ना, मैं जब चाह जिस पे चाह चला सकता हूँ।
You're not alone, Rahul. I'm there for you. I'm your legal head and you know I'm good at my job.
465 करोड़ के लोन को चुकाने के लिए एक बहुत बड़े धमाके की जरूरत थी।
Do you have any proof?
पैसे और कनेक्शंस के बल पर ये कुछ भी कर देते हो, तुम जैसे मिल जाती हो उन्हें बचाने के लिए।
What do you mean तुम्हारे जैसे? I genuinely feel Rahul is innocent. Let's pray कि इस लाइव मर्डर का कोई सेकंड एपिसोड ना हो.
I'm actually enjoying this case now. कातिल कोई और ही है। ये पता लगाने में ही तो इस वर्दी की शान है। वरना वर्दियां तो किराए पे भी मिलती।
तो मरने दो, धरती से एक पागल जानवर ही तो कम होगा।
Puzzle solved. Revenge, you have many faces.